Welcome to our guide on effectively guiding your audience as an international teaching assistant. Structuring information clearly is crucial for student comprehension, especially with complex material. Using transitions and focusing on key points can significantly enhance engagement. These techniques will help students follow your content more easily. Let's explore how to implement these strategies effectively. Organizing your lecture with a clear roadmap is vital. Begin by outlining the main topics, giving students a preview of what to expect. For instance, start with, "Today we'll explore three main topics: the causes of climate change, its effects on biodiversity, and possible solutions." Highlighting key points throughout helps maintain focus. This approach ensures students can easily follow the lecture's progression. Signposting involves using specific phrases to emphasize important ideas and transitions. It helps students stay oriented during a lecture. Phrases like "the main point is," "to summarize," and "next let's look at" are effective tools. Use these to underscore significant points and guide students through transitions. Signposting ensures clarity and aids in comprehension.
Visual aids like diagrams and graphs can reinforce key ideas. They help students grasp abstract or complex concepts more easily. For example, a flowchart can effectively illustrate the steps of a chemical reaction. Incorporating relevant visuals keeps students visually engaged. These tools support explanations and enhance understanding.
Dividing complex ideas into smaller sections prevents information overload. Introduce one idea at a time to maintain clarity. For instance, in a lecture on computer algorithms, explain each algorithm's steps separately. This approach ensures students understand each component before connecting them. Breaking down information enhances retention and comprehension. Repetition and summarizing key points reinforce learning. Recap major sections at regular intervals to remind students of main ideas. For example, say, "So far, we've covered the causes and effects of climate change. Next, we'll discuss possible solutions." This technique ensures students have a clear understanding before moving on. It enhances retention and engagement.
In conclusion, guiding students through lectures effectively involves structured language and clear signposting. Using effective visuals further enhances engagement and comprehension. Practice these techniques to make complex material more accessible. Students will feel more comfortable and retain information more effectively. Implementing these strategies is key to successful teaching.
Thank you for joining us in this journey to enhance your teaching skills. We hope these strategies empower you in guiding your students effectively. Keep practicing and refining your approach for continued success.